Karma and Reincarnation in Hinduism, Episode 4, Karma and Reincarnation in Daily Life. Welcome back, dear listeners. In the previous episodes, we've delved into the profound concepts of karma and reincarnation in Hinduism. Now, let's bridge the gap between these philosophical principles and their practical implications in our everyday lives. Application of karma and reincarnation. Hinduism is not a distant philosophy reserved for temples or meditation retreats. It's a way of life that permeates every aspect of existence. How do the principles of karma and reincarnation manifest in the tapestry of our daily lives? Ethical implications of karma. Karma, at its core, is a system of ethics. It's about understanding that our actions have consequences and that we are responsible for the energy we bring into the world. In our daily interactions, recognizing the ethical implications of our choices is crucial. Balancing personal goals with collective well-being. Living in a society requires a delicate balance between personal aspirations and collective well-being. Hindu philosophy encourages individuals to pursue their goals and ambitions, but within the framework of dharma, the righteous path. It's a reminder that personal success should not come at the expense of others. Service and selflessness. One of the pathways to spiritual growth in Hinduism is through selfless service, known as seva. By engaging in actions that benefit others without expecting personal gain, individuals align themselves with the principles of karma yoga. This practice not only contributes to the well-being of the community but also aids in one's spiritual evolution. Impact of intention on daily actions. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to get caught up in the what and how of our actions. However, Hindu philosophy emphasizes the why, the intention behind our actions. By infusing our daily tasks with positive intentions, we align ourselves with the principles of good karma. Karma in modern context. As we navigate the complexities of the modern world, the concept of karma takes on new dimensions. It's not just about individual actions. It extends to collective choices that impact the environment, society, and future generations. Recognizing the interconnectedness of all life prompts us to make conscious and responsible choices. Overcoming ego and self-centeredness. One of the challenges in applying karma in daily life is overcoming the ego, the sense of self-centeredness that often dictates our actions. Hinduism teaches that by transcending the ego and embracing a broader perspective, individuals can contribute to a more harmonious and compassionate world. Learning from challenges. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable in life, but Hindu philosophy views them as opportunities for growth. When faced with difficulties, individuals can reflect on the karmic lessons embedded in those experiences. This perspective fosters resilience, personal development, and a deeper understanding of the self. Karma and reincarnation in family and relationships. In the realm of family and relationships, the principles of karma and reincarnation influence the dynamics. The bonds forged in this lifetime may have roots in past relationships, and the quality of those relationships can shape future karmic ties. Recognizing the interconnectedness of souls can foster empathy, forgiveness, and understanding in our interactions with others. As we conclude this episode, we've explored how the principles of karma and reincarnation are not abstract concepts, but guidelines for navigating the intricacies of daily life. In our final episode, we'll address common misconceptions about karma and reincarnation, clarifying their true essence. Stay tuned, and we'll be right back after this short break.